Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix Microsoft Teams no sound during your video call. So this will help you to actually fix this issue, and it's really annoying. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course go to your Microsoft Teams, and once you're here, you will click this three dots icon right here, and then you will click settings. And now that you're here, you will go to the devices section. So what you will do is make sure that your speaker is set to correct output device. So if you do have this option, you will just have to click the right speaker. I mean the right output device for your speaker, and then you will just have to check your computer sound settings and make sure that the volume uh is not muted. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. And if it still doesn't work, you could also restart your Microsoft Teams anytime you want, and make sure to also update the Teams to the latest version. And by the way, you could also check that your headphones or external speakers are properly connected. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.